Okay. And who do we have here?
Hi, Debbie Delatorre, class of 74, North High School.
Go Huskies. Go Huskies.
Oh yeah, go Huskies.
And who do we have here?
Johnny Helm. Hi.
Hi. And you are affiliated with what radio station?
AFXM 96.7.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm Steve Leck.
Yeah. And you graduated from what high school?
Poly 81.
Thank you. And you are also working on a story on the for the Press Enterprise.
Amongst other things, yeah. I'm going to be doing the new history column. My associate and I, Kim Johnson.
When does that start?
Starting July 1.
Starting July 1,
Yeah.
Press Enterprise. And your name once again is?
Steve Leck.
Very good. Thank you. And who might you be?
Hey, I'm still Doug Barry, and a longtime member of this particular group. And today we're giving Johnny Helms his 21 toot toot salute.
Very good. I can't wait. Thank you. And who are you?
I am Ralph Torres, and I am from Riverside. I think we're all from Riverside. That's the reason we're here. And I went to Poly High School. I don't remember the year I graduated. It was sometime in the 70s, but that explains why I don't remember. And boy, another fun day for the 50s and 60s group, and we're looking forward to seeing Roger's Spotted Dick today.
Thank you. We could have done without that, but thank you. And who are you?
Hi, I'm Dawn Pia. I went to North High School and I graduated in 1973.
Thank you very much. And who are you?
Hi, I'm Lori Burns. I went to North High School and graduated in 1973.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And sir, who are you?
Scott Derby Lanier, currently in Temecula, born and raised in Riverside. First time in my whole life I've ever eaten here. I was an Antone's person. I put Lincoln High because it's underrepresented this year at this event. I actually was a graduate of Poly in 72.
Well, that's better. Thank you very much.